Hey parents, welcome to Elite Finance Insights, the place where you manage money for your kids' future the right way. No fluff, no empty promises, just real, actionable tips that'll actually make a difference for your family. Let's go. Teaching kids about money is important. It's a fundamental skill that will serve them throughout their lives. When children understand the value of money, they can make informed decisions and avoid common financial pitfalls. It's not just about dollars and cents, it's about instilling a sense of responsibility and independence. When kids learn to manage their finances, they gain confidence in their ability to handle other aspects of their lives. It's about giving them life skills. Financial literacy is as crucial as reading and writing. It prepares them for real-world challenges and helps them develop critical thinking skills. These skills help them make smart choices. Whether it's deciding how to spend their allowance or understanding the importance of saving for the future, these lessons are invaluable. They learn to manage money well. This includes budgeting, saving, and even investing. By starting early, kids can develop good habits that will last a lifetime. This sets them up for a brighter future. Financially savvy kids grow into financially responsible adults. They are better equipped to handle life's ups and downs. Imagine your child as a young adult. They can navigate the complexities of financial independence with ease. They understand how to balance a checkbook, use credit wisely, and plan for big expenses. They can budget their money. This means they can live within their means, avoid debt, and save for future goals. It's a skill that will benefit them in every stage of life. They save for their dreams. Whether it's a new toy, a college education, or a first home, understanding how to save makes these dreams achievable. They understand the value of hard work. Earning money through chores or a part-time job teaches them that money is earned, not given. This fosters a strong work ethic. These are powerful gifts we can give them. The knowledge and skills they gain will empower them to make wise financial decisions throughout their lives. Early money lessons build a strong foundation. The earlier we start teaching them, the more prepared they will be for the future. Kids learn about earning, spending, and saving. These basic concepts are the building blocks of financial literacy. They understand the difference between needs and wants. This helps them make better spending choices and avoid unnecessary debt. This knowledge empowers them to be responsible with money. They learn to prioritize their spending and make informed decisions. By teaching kids about money, we equip them for success. They gain the tools they need to navigate the financial world confidently. They'll be better prepared for the financial realities of life. From managing student loans to buying their first car, they'll know how to handle it. They'll have the tools to achieve their goals. Financial literacy opens doors to opportunities and helps them reach their dreams. Let's empower our kids with this essential life skill. Together we can set them up for a lifetime of financial success and security. Let's face it, talking about money with kids can be awkward. Parents might feel unsure about their own financial knowledge. They might worry about saying the wrong thing. Time is another big challenge. Life gets busy. It's hard to fit in money talks between school activities and family time. Sometimes parents avoid the topic of money. They might think their kids are too young or that it's too complicated. However, even young children can grasp basic money concepts. The good news is that it doesn't have to be overwhelming. There are simple, age-appropriate ways to teach kids about money. Small steps can make a big difference. Kids often have misconceptions about money. They might think that money is unlimited or that it magically appears from ATMs. One common myth is that money grows on trees. Kids might not understand that money comes from work and effort. It's important to explain the connection between working and earning money. Another misconception is that everything is free online. With digital downloads and in-app purchases, it's easy for kids to lose track of spending. Talking about online transactions and setting limits is crucial. By addressing these misconceptions early on, we can help kids develop a realistic understanding of money. Teaching kids about money doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be a fun and interactive experience for the whole family. By incorporating playful activities and engaging lessons, you can instill valuable financial skills in your children from a young age. There are plenty of fun and engaging ways to make it a positive experience. One of the simplest and most effective tools is the piggy bank. Piggy banks are a classic for a reason. They provide a tangible and visual representation of saving money, which is easy for kids to understand. Watching the piggy bank fill up with coins and bills gives children a sense of accomplishment and encourages them to save more. Kids can watch their savings grow as they add coins and bills. This simple act can teach them the value of saving and delayed gratification. Chores offer a great opportunity to teach kids about earning money. By completing tasks around the house, they learn that money is earned through effort and hard work. Assign age-appropriate tasks and link them to an allowance. This not only teaches responsibility, but also helps kids understand the concept of earning. This helps them understand the connection between work and reward. It's a practical lesson that will serve them well in the future. Make it fun with money stories. Reading books about money or role-playing with toy money can make learning about finances enjoyable. Create scenarios where kids have to make choices about spending or saving money. This can be done through games or pretend play. This helps them develop decision-making skills in a safe and imaginative way. By making financial education fun and interactive, you can set your kids on the path to financial literacy and success. Sarah's success story, from allowance to savings goals. Let's meet Sarah, a bright 10-year-old with a big smile and even bigger dreams. She started receiving a small weekly allowance for doing chores around the house like tidying her room and helping with the dishes. At first, she was tempted to spend it all on candy and toys, the things that caught her eye every time she went to the store. However, Sarah's parents encouraged her to think bigger and set a savings goal. They explained how saving money could help her buy something she really wanted. Sarah decided she wanted a brand new bicycle, a shiny red one she had seen in the store window. It seemed like a far-off dream, almost impossible to achieve. With the help of her piggy bank and a colorful chart to track her progress, Sarah started saving a portion of her allowance each week. She carefully put away her coins and watched her savings grow. Weeks turned into months, and Sarah's excitement grew as her savings increased. She could see her goal getting closer and closer, and it motivated her to keep going. Finally, the big day arrived. Sarah opened her piggy bank and counted her savings. She had done it. Sarah had saved enough money to buy her dream bicycle. She went to the store with her parents, and with a beaming smile she picked out the shiny red bike she had been dreaming of. The pride and sense of accomplishment on Sarah's face were priceless. She had worked hard, stayed disciplined, and achieved her goal. Sarah had learned the value of saving and the power of setting goals. This experience taught her that with determination and patience she could achieve anything she set her mind to. Raising financially savvy kids, tips for parents. Parents play a crucial role in shaping their kids' financial literacy. Here are some tips to make it fun and effective. Start early. Even young children can learn basic money concepts. Make it a habit. Integrate money talks into everyday conversations. Lead by example. Let your kids see you making thoughtful financial decisions. Be patient. It takes time for kids to grasp these concepts. Celebrate success. Acknowledge and praise their efforts in learning about money. The gift of financial literacy. Financial literacy is a gift that lasts a lifetime. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their money. When we teach kids about money, we give them the tools to achieve financial security. They're less likely to fall into debt. They can plan for their future. Financial literacy is essential for navigating today's complex world. It's a key ingredient for success in life. Start today. Empowering tomorrow's money masters. It's never too early, and it's never too late to start teaching kids about money. Remember, small steps can lead to big results. By making it fun, engaging, and a part of everyday life, we can raise a generation of financially savvy kids. They'll be equipped to handle their finances with confidence. Let's empower our children with the gift of financial literacy. They'll thank us for it later.